If you've been wondering how to insert PlantUML in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow, what Lucidchart does and does not allow, and how to use the UML Markup feature to turn PlantUML code into an editable diagram. This is especially useful if you're documenting systems, building software architecture diagrams, or creating sequence diagrams quickly without drawing everything manually. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more software how-to guides. Let's jump in. First, it's important to understand one key thing. Lucidchart does not let you simply upload a PlantUML file onto the canvas like an image or a document. Instead, PlantUML is handled through Lucidchart's UML Markup feature. That feature is only available on supported paid plans, so if you're using a free account, Lucidchart may ask you to upgrade before you can continue. Knowing that upfront saves a lot of confusion. Now let's start with the first step. Log into your Lucidchart account. Once you're inside, create a new document by clicking New, then Lucidchart, and then Blank Document. Starting with a blank document gives you a clean workspace and makes it easier to work with the UML tools. Next, you need to enable the UML Sequence library. Look at the left panel and click Shapes at the bottom. In the Shape search box, type UML Sequence. When you see the UML Sequence option, check the box next to it. After that, click Use Selected Shapes. This adds the UML-specific elements you'll need and unlocks the markup workflow for sequence diagrams. Once the shape library is enabled, the next step is to open the UML Markup editor. In the UML Sequence section of the left sidebar, click Use Markup. This is the part that connects your PlantUML code to Lucidchart's diagram generator. If your account is not on a supported plan, Lucidchart will prompt you to upgrade. If that happens, it means the UML Markup feature is not available on your current subscription. If you do have access, you can now paste your PlantUML code directly into the editor. Make sure your code is formatted correctly because even a small typo can affect the generated diagram. If you already have PlantUML from another tool or from documentation, this is where you bring it in. After your code is pasted, click Build. Lucidchart will process the markup and generate an editable UML sequence diagram from your PlantUML code. This is one of the biggest advantages of the workflow because once the diagram is generated, you can refine and adjust it inside Lucidchart instead of rebuilding it from scratch. A couple of quick tips here. First, if your goal is to work with PlantUML often, confirm your Lucidchart plan supports UML markup before you start. Second, always test with a small sample diagram first, especially if you're pasting a larger block of code. And third, remember that this feature is designed around UML sequence work, so if your diagram type is more advanced or unusual, you may need to check compatibility. So, to recap, the process is create a blank Lucidchart document, enable the UML sequence library, open Use Markup, paste your PlantUML code, and click Build. That's the full workflow for inserting PlantUML in Lucidchart the right way. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.